Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to track your website visitors and improve your website's performance? Today I will show you step by step how to connect your Wix website to Google Analytics. Google Analytics is one of the most powerful free tools to understand who visits your site, where they come from, and what they do. With this data, you can make smarter design, content, and marketing decisions to grow your website. Before we begin, make sure you have a Google account ready. You will need it to sign in to Google Analytics. Okay, from home button, click web. Now copy your URL, site URL, go to site settings, copy the URL and paste here. Then click continue. Now click here. Now go to settings from Wix. Then scroll down, find marketing integration. From here, search for marketing integration. Find Google Analytics. Then paste your measurement ID and save the changes. That's it. After a while, visit your website and check real-time reports in Google Analytics to confirm it's tracking visitors. From here, keep using Google Analytics to learn about your audience, improve your content, and refine your marketing strategies. And that's it. You have successfully connected your Wix site to Google Analytics. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.